Three, two, one. Hi, everybody. I'm Mr. Higgins, a middle school media arts and computer science teacher here in Portland, Oregon. And while we're teaching remotely this year, the first thing that we've started with is GIF making, and we're having a ton of fun. GIFs of ourselves, GIFs of our family, GIFs of celebrities and tech YouTubers, but most importantly, for the internet, GIFs of cute baby animals. I wanted to show you my method on how to quickly and easily make a transparent sticker GIF out of anything on the internet using completely free platform neutral web apps. So in 5 super quick steps, we'll take whatever you have on your computer screen and turn it into a transparent sticker GIF. First, we will screencast your Chrome window using Nimbus. Then we'll edit and crop using 123 apps of Video Cutter. Then we'll use UNSCREEN's AI to take out the background. And finally, in a sometimes optional step, we'll use Photopea to touch up and finalize to make sure our GIF looks as good as it can before we upload it to Giphy for sharing. So to start out, you'll need to find a rad or weird or amazingly cute thing you want to make into a GIF, and you should be able to replay that easily in your Chrome browser window. I assume this shouldn't be much of a problem for anyone watching a tutorial about how to make a GIF because something probably was already in mind when you started the video. For my demo, this is the internet, so I'll go with this amazingly cute video of a shaved little puppy terrier scampering across the floor. Once you've got your clip ready, the next step is to make a screencast of it. I really love Nimbus because it's high quality and free, and because it's a Chrome extension, it should work on any computer running Google's Chrome browser. If you don't have it, install it right now and make sure it's pinned so you can see it on the top right of your screen. Once it's installed and you can see it, then you're going to left click it and choose record video at the bottom of the list of actions. You can leave most default settings as they are. You can turn the sound off because it doesn't matter. When you're ready to record, press start record. You'll see a red dot on the Nimbus icon to let you know it's recording and that you should play your clip. When your clip is done, left click Nimbus icon again and click stop recording. Try to keep it as close to 5 seconds as possible to reduce lag. Although this shouldn't be a super big issue unless you're on a very old or very budget computer. After you click stop recording, your screencast window should have popped up and given you the option to save your screencast video. Click that button and name it and save it whatever you like. Now to editing. It's time to edit it and make it into the perfect GIF loop and crop it so it looks as high quality as we can. To do that, 123 apps of Video Cutter works better and faster than anything else I've found. Although I have had a few students whom had it bug out a little bit, that was fixed with a quick reload. If there's an option you like better, go for it. Once we are in Video Cutter, click choose file and upload the screencast we just made. Just like YouTube, pressing the spacebar will play and pause the video, and you'll want to bring the left and right blue editing bars in close to create your clip so it's as GIFable as possible. When you're happy with your video loop, we want to click on the bottom left crop button and select custom. This is going to let us bring the crop in as close as we can without cutting out the subject. Then click save and download it when it's finished processing. Next up is UNSCREEN, which blesses us with AI coding magics that make this whole project possible. Since literally all you do is click upload clip and then you're kind of goodish to go. If your clip is glitching out hard, the 3 most common reasons are your clip was too fast, it was too complicated, or it was very, very low quality. If your clip was none of these, chances are you'll have a pretty good GIF. Now, the final part of this project is to touch up your GIF to make sure it's as good as it's possible before we put it on Giphy. To do this, we'll use Photopea, which is amazing. All we have to do is upload or drag and drop our UNSCREEN GIF into Photopea, and once it loads, you should see all the frames of your GIF. If you want to further optimize your GIF, you can click the eye icon to turn on every layer of your GIF simultaneously, and we will use the crop tool to further remove any unneeded areas. And you can also use a raster mask on the GIF folder to erase any major areas that but Unscreen's AI didn't do a great job of. Note that GIFs will not support any soft brushes, so if you're using the raster mask method to erase parts of your GIF, make sure the hardness is set to 100%. If you really want to go crazy, you can manually correct the individual layer frames of your GIF one by one with the eraser and selection tools, but that can be a very time-consuming process compared to the rest of the project, so it's all about your personal decision about how perfect you want your GIF to be. Finally, you can right-click on the layer folder and select blending options to add a special effect or some basic color correction using the color overlay. When you're happy with your touched up and perfectly cropped GIF, then click File on the top left and select Export as GIF. Quality should always be set to 100%, but if you want to make your GIF faster or slower with the speed option, feel free. Once you've saved your amazing looking, touched up, and finalized GIF, now it's time to post it to Giphy for easy sharing. Just head to Giphy and get logged in. Make sure to click the upload button and then load or drag and drop your GIF in. Once it processes, before you finalize, be sure to add your source URL and any tags you want. If you want me or other people who watch this video to see it, you can always tag #SPH. And once that completes and you're finished, you're pretty much good to go for sharing. In addition to the Giphy tag, we'll also have a public Padlet below, so you can add your GIF there. If you have any suggestions or advice or wisdom that I should have mentioned in this video, please let me know in the comments or hit me up in my email. So that's about it for this project. I'm super excited to see what you make. Until next time.